MarlonO Bennett. How's it going, everybody? How's it going, World Wide Web? Listen up, guys. Every single day, tens of thousands of people log into the internet, the World Wide Web, in search of making money, working from home, and or new, creative, and innovative ways for generating more traffic and leads for their business. In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about how we can become the bridge, the problem-solving brokers, if you will, and solve both of those problems. This is something that you can do from anywhere in the world. The money comes directly to you, and you can have this entire money-making, this free marketing system set up within an hour, guys. And so what we're talking about here is a premier marketing strategy built exclusively for traffic, lead generation, and list building. And today, guys, you get to pick it up absolutely free. So what I'm going to ask you to do is stand over my shoulder as I walk you guys through the actual process that you came through and the actual process that you can start implementing today to either make money from home if that's your desire, to generate more traffic and leads for your business if that's your desire, or a combination of both, guys. So let me scroll down just a little bit. I want to click this button. It's going to take us over to the front door, the actual process, how this all started, and how we can start using this exact same system, right? Literally, right? As simple as placing simple actual banner ads and login ads where I'm going to show you, and to include networks displaying over 50 million adverts a day across 20,000 plus publisher websites, and how we can lock into the system right now. Get super pumped up, get super excited. Let's follow along in the videos and let's get you guys going.